facial plastics.
AM Facial Plastics. And Dr. Moradzadeh has the same body equipment or body contouring as I do in my practice. So I was very interested to speak to you today to see if you could provide some insight and information for my guests on my clinic and give them maybe some knowledge and some information about how privileged they are to be from a small island and to have all the same tools and equipment and services that you have in California. So, my first question for you, Dr. Moradzadeh, is why is Trubody your preferred body sculpting solution versus any others on the market?
Yeah, I like Trubody the most because it's very specific and you can customize it for your patient. So you really get nice results with no risk, no downtime, and it works every time as long as you follow the protocols and you get really nice results. So it's easy and effective.
Right, and so we have TrueSculpt ID and we also have TrueFlex.
Yeah.
So did you want to give me a little your insight as to what one does versus the other?
Yeah. So you're going to want to use your TrueSculpt ID to target your unwanted fat. So if you have lower abdominal fat pouch, some fat underneath the arm, you got to do the TrueSculpt to heat that area up and kill those fat cells. But then you really want to do it with the flex together. We call that Trubody because it's together is where you get the most fat loss, muscle toning, improve your strength, you feel better, and you're able to lose weight if you want to diet at the same time.
Right. And so, how popular is Trubody in Beverly Hills?
In Beverly Hills, it's very popular. Everybody gets it.
Yeah.
And most of our patients come for our gym membership, and they come for Flex once a month, every month religiously after they finish their training protocol.
Right. And so, who is the ideal candidate for Trubody? Is TrueSculpt ID for reducing fat by 24% and also the muscle toning? Who would be the ideal candidate? Because, there are a lot of times when we see people that are more slim, they just want like a booty lift or defining their abs, or we see people that are more overweight and are looking for a weight loss solution. So who do you think is the best candidate for Trubody?
Everybody's a good candidate because you can create a customized combination of treatments to make it the right one for each person. That's what's so great about it.
Right.
So you have someone who's lean and they just want more tone and more sculpting, you can just use Flex.
Right.
And use the right modes to kind of give them what they want.
Right.
If somebody has had a C-section and they can't get rid of the fat on their lower abdomen, or they carry fat, or the back fat or bra fat, then you're going to want to use your TrueSculpt to target the fat, and then use the Flex to kind of keep things toned and keep it going. So it's all about just combining the right combo for that person's body and their goals.
Right. And do you see a lot of athletes that have improved performance with the TrueFlex?
Yeah, Flex is not just cosmetic, it's definitely functional. So athletes come in all the time, and they actually come to and get our prep mode after games because it helps them with muscle recovery. It's kind of like Pilates.
Okay, I didn't know that.
And you can also use it if you have an injury, if you have back pain, if you have a knee problem, if you need to improve your core strength for your posture. All those things are perfect for Flex.
Okay, wonderful. And so, all of these different people that we see in our practice, we get people that are smaller, people that are mid-sized, people that are overweight.
Yeah.
Do you feel that people that are smaller are just suited for Flex, or a combination is still effective?
I'll use the combination if they have a pouch of fat they want to get rid of. If
Typically
they want
to have the lower belly.
Yeah, so you can do targeted areas depending on what's going on. Some have none, some will need a little bit. And then also if they want to try to get the skin to be a little bit tighter, skin quality improvement, then sometimes I'll do it on someone who's very thin just to try to tighten their skin. I personally had no fat here, but I've done it here because I wanted to tighten my jawline.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
And what about for people that are overweight, that are looking for a solution, but in my best interest, I'm thinking, maybe I need something else to help along the way.
Yeah.
So is semaglutide, something like Ozempic, something like Injera.
The combination is phenomenal. So if you really need to lose weight, being on a little bit of Mounjaro or semaglutide while you start your Trubody journey together, you lose the most amount of weight the most quickly, and because you're building muscle, you don't get any of the complications that people complain about with the weight loss drugs. So it's definitely the way to go.
Oh, thank you so much
You're
for all the
welcome.
information and to reinforce everything that we talk about in our practice. I really appreciate
You're welcome.
your
You guys
time.
are lucky to have Trubody.